Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired June 15th, 2026. The topic of that episode was the miracle awaiting divine revelation. Swami, your insights.
The kingdom of heaven is at hand, which is the miracle awaiting realization for those strong enough to walk the solitary path and sensitive enough to hear the call.
Looking to call into expression the perfection of being? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam